This is an ARX knob car. Pry open both side panels. Pry off this plastic piece. Pry open the panel around the screen. There is a screw inside that needs to be unscrewed. There is also a screw here that needs to be unscrewed. Remove these two screws and you can take out the central control unit. The 3 screws securing the screen also need to be removed. Note the location of the plug. Transfer the LUVDS cable behind the screen and the screen power cable. Connect the screen power cable. Note that the connection should be made to the interface close to the dip switch. Press and hold the menu button for 3 seconds to switch to the system interface. Turn off the car and disconnect the gray plug to solve the problem of the CarPlay interface screen flickering. Start the car. The screen flickering issue has been resolved. How to select aux options for the original car. Media. Click the audio button. Select aux.